Here's the 4 things you've got to do to make a change in your business. And this is according to John Maxwell. The number one reason why people make a change is because they hurt so much they have to. When the pain gets so bad that they're like, enough is enough, and they make a change. Here's number 2. And by the way, you shouldn't have to get to that spot. When they see enough, that they're inspired. Sometimes you're not around the right people, you're not in the right organization to see what greatness looks like. Number 3, they learn enough and now they want to. Reading a great book or going to a conference, starting to learn helps your belief go up because you start realizing that it's possible. Number 4, sadly, the reason why most people wait to make the change, when they receive enough that they're able to change. Meaning, when I make a lot of money, then I will be benevolent. That's when I'll start giving away. No, you got to give away now to be able to get there. It happens along the way. The choice is decided when you make the change. You can make a change when everything's already great, or you can make those changes right now and become great. If you don't understand the greatness that you can accomplish, get on a call with me. I'm pretty sure I can unlock you.